Welcome back everyone. So, potatoes, spuds, I like to call them spuds. We're going to be planting spuds today. Thank you, Cedar Beater, he's the best helper ever. So, what you need to start off with is a nice big pot. And the reason why I use pots is because I've spent time digging potatoes through beds before. And you either spear them, you lose them, and you spend precious time digging them up when you could be eating them basically. Thank you, Cedar Beater. So first what you need is to get some soil. I've got some old horse manure which I'm using, which is just good enough. And you should line the soil just below the middle of the pot. And you could use any size pot really, but you wouldn't really want to... Cedar, could you pass that pot back, please, that you just took away? You that orange pot, could you grab me one orange pot, please?
Oh.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So, for example, you wouldn't really want to plant your spuds in this because you'll get about 2 or 3 spuds. Yeah? Take them back. Thank you, Cedar Beatty. So what I opt for is about 30 litres. No, this is 40 actually, sorry. My bad, 40 litres. So what you need to start off with is potash and chicken poop, because they are riddled with phosphorus and potassium, and potatoes die for them basically. Oh, and some root grow, because the more roots you have, the more potatoes you're going to have. So what we do, Cedar, if you saw at the beginning, Cedar's already poured the potash in. So we mix it all up, mix it. Yeah? Do you want to mix it too? Go on then. Mix it. Good boy, that's really good mixing, Cedar. And then we need to get some chicken poop. I don't have chickens yet, people. That's why I'm using this chicken poop, and it smells funky. It smells strong, doesn't it, Cedar Beatty?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
So then dig some up for us, please. Nice, that's a nice bit of chicken poop. And be careful, when you place that in there, look at that. That is perfect, Cedar Beatty. And let's mix it all up. Mix it.
And the mix.
Go on then, mix it. And then we put some root grow in. And then we'll mix some of that in.
And I'm closing this.
You're going to close it up now? Good boy. We don't want to spill it, do we? Oops.
Itchy.
There we go. That's it. And push down. Well done, Cedar Beatty. Such a good boy. So we can leave it there. And we close this up. Can you close this for me, please? You've got to squeeze these together. Thank you. Then we mix this too, guys. So once that's all mixed up, so what you do, you get your spuds. I have what spuds have we got? We've got Vivaldi, we have Anya, and we have Charlotte. And there's one stray one I'm not sure of. It's this big one here. In fact, it's these two actually. I'm not sure, but they were just shop bought, so we're going to use these two too. I'm not sure what they are, but hey, spuds are spuds at the end of the day. And I know Vivaldi and Charlotte are very fast growing, because long story short, I'm going to be gone here. Yeah, we use them as well. I'm going to be gone by August. So I want something that can grow really fast, and I don't have to wait for the first frost for me to crop them, so the sooner the better really. So for a pot this size, and for the spuds this size, I would plant 3 in each pot. So what you do, you get them so the eye is facing up. It doesn't really matter if there's eyes facing down. Like,
This one?
it's gonna, yeah, we use that one too. We place them in. So you can grab me another one of them, please, Cedar Beatty. Yes, please. Thank you. And one more, please, Cedar Bean. Good boy, perfect. And we slot them in, and then we get some soil and we bank them over them. And we get some more soil. Some more compost.
I want that.
You gonna grab some for then, and sprinkle on top. Good boy.
I want that.
There you go. You grab some. Good boy, Cedar Beatty. And there you have it, guys. Planted spud. And there's one more thing I like to do too. you have it, guys. Spuds. Lots and lots of spuds, right, Cedar?
Mm-hmm.
He's having his snack. So yeah, please do consider subscribing if you want to see some more, or see the harvest really. Like, it's only, what, how many months we got now? August. We got just 2 months. See how quickly we can grow some stuff in 2 months. Anyways, peace and love.